Hello everybody, welcome back to another daily update. My name is Akash and today we're going to be doing what we do every single day, which is taking a look at Bitcoin and analyzing what's happening with it and if we can open any positions. Right, so before we actually get into it, let me do a quick recap of what's happening with Bitcoin or what's been happening with Bitcoin. Right, so basically for anybody that's not watched any more videos that I've posted for the past week, 2 weeks, Bitcoin price has been kind of traversing in this range over here, which extends from $28,575 to $31,493. So basically 28.6k to 31.5k has been the range. And as I mentioned in all of my videos, a range bound movement is pretty simple. You get a sweep of the range low and then the price goes to the range high. If you get a sweep of the range high first, it goes to the sweep of the range low. That is pretty much it, right? And another thing that you guys have to know is that the range bound movement kind of works pretty much the same with the weekly opens here, right? For what I do is at the start of the new week, I mark out the Monday's low and the Monday's high, right? If the price sweeps the Monday's high, I wait for the price to kind of come back into the below the Monday's high, and then I short Bitcoin, right? And why the reason why I shorted, because after the sweep of the Monday's high, I'm expecting the price to sweep the Monday's low. And now if you want to go check it out, please make sure to do a lot of back tests. And this happens quite a bit, and it happens pretty perfectly when the price is ranging. So that was the plan, right? That was the plan all along. When Bitcoin price shot up here at the end of the month, end of the May month, I'm not sure if I actually longed it. Even if I did, I don't remember it right now, but I remember shorting a Bitcoin over here around 31,720, 780. I'm not sure, but I shorted Bitcoin around here. I booked profits around this level here at 29,991. And since then, I've been out of the game. I've been sitting. I am waiting. And the reason why I did not long Bitcoin here was basically because I did not get a sweep of the Monday's low, which is critical, right? That was my plan. Wait for the sweep of the Monday's low. But if the price continued to go up, in yesterday's video, I explained that my plan was pretty simple. If the price continued to go up, I would wait for the price to enter this bracket here between MSP and the range high at 31,220 and 31,493. That's where I would kind of short Bitcoin for a sweep of the Monday's low. Now, what's happening is the price is kind of cauterized, not cauterized, the price has kind of stopped its run up and it's started bleeding, and I believe the reason for that is because we're gonna go lower and sweep the Monday's low. So the reason, like I was kind of checking this out just now, like if you use your fib extension and draw it from this swing high to this swing low here, you can see that the price is kind of getting rejected around the 50 retracement level here, which kind of makes sense, right? And yeah, so what's gonna happen now? Sweep of the Monday's low, and what am I gonna do? I'm gonna long Bitcoin or sweep the Monday's low if I haven't already placed my orders, right? So it's pretty simple. I've already done it yesterday, so let me just bring that up. This is my game plan: long Bitcoin on the sweep of the Monday's low, right, and have my stop loss around just below this range low at 28,575. And what I would do is I would basically, once my order gets filled, right, I'm going to be glued to the screens. I'm going to see if the price is going to go up or if it's going to go down. Or if it comes very close to my stop loss, then I'm going to manually close it, or either move my stop loss down to equal lows around here and add more Bitcoins around here. So basically that is it. I'm going to actively manage until we kind of get a move above the 50 fib, or probably produce a higher high above this level here at $30,714. Once we get a higher high, or once we like retest the 50 retracement level as a support, I think that's when I would kind of move my stops to my entry and let it run on autopilot mode, right? Because what I'm expecting next is a flip of this 4-hour 200 moving average, right? Once we get a flip of this, I think I would probably, I'm not sure, I might not, but I would probably add more. If I do, the reason for that is because I'm expecting the price to fill this CME gap here, which extends from 34.4k to 35.1k. So guys, the plan is pretty simple. Let me just summarize it again for you guys. Wait on the sidelines until we get a sweep of the Monday's low. Once we get that, long Bitcoin. The target is 35,180. That is like the most basic plan. If Bitcoin price continues to drop, add more around this level here at 28,575 and keep my stop losses below 27,708. In that case as well, my take profit levels are going to be 34,445 and 35,180. So that is pretty much it for today's analysis. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, please just feel free to comment on any of my posts on Twitter, which is at Mangeko with a 0 at the end. Right. So also I posted an educational content yesterday, which was a triple tap setup, explaining triple tap setup, what it means, how to identify it, with a lot of chapters. So if you like, I know a lot of people, a lot of my followers have been asking me about educational content, and this is my first go at it. So if you enjoyed this and if you find this helpful, please make sure to also share it.